big juicy red tomato. Adaya tomato.
This recipe has a creamy consistency because it uses ripe tomatoes with no water added. It's tasty and creamy even without chicken broth. Sifting is optional. The pulp and seeds are actually nutritious. I'm demonstrating sifting to show the pulp and filtered tomato puree. You can use whole milk, but I use powder milk. I recommend using Nido.